Children, how are you all? Welcome to English class. Wish you all a happy Dasera children. We are in block 7 describing words. Lesson number 4 peer review. Okay children, keywords of the lesson are big, small, long, short, square, round, green, red, black. Okay children, just to see our keywords children. Keywords are here given as describing words. All these words are describing words. Big, small, long, short is describing the size of a thing. Okay children. Square, round is describing the shape of a thing. And then green, red, black is describing the color of the thing. Okay children. In our previous classes we have learned describing words, describing a thing. So today we will see what all we have learnt in the previous classes, and let us see what is there in this lesson. Okay children? Yes children, all sentences must have a naming word or pronoun. Yes children, whenever we will see the sentence, it should have a naming word or pronoun. For example, Ramu is writing. Ramu is a naming word. Or children, he is writing. He is what? Pronoun. All sentences must have a doing word. Same example we'll take children. Ramu is writing. Writing is what here? Doing word. Fine children? All sentences must begin with a capital letter. Yes. Whenever you're writing a sentence, the sentence should always begin with a capital letter. All sentences must end with a full stop. Yes. When your sentence will be correct children, when you follow all the things. So at the end, when your sentence is finished, what you have to put? You have to put a full stop. Now children, one more thing I want to tell you. Capitalize only. Yes. When do we use the capital letters? For proper naming words. In a sentence, proper naming words are there. So we will use capital letter. Okay. And then first letter of a sentence. Here we have already finished that point. A sentence always starts with capital letter. Proper naming words. For example, I am going to Delhi. Yes, I am going to Delhi. Delhi is what children? Delhi is proper naming word. It is the name of a place. Yes children. I am not telling I am going to a place. I am telling I am going to Delhi. Delhi is a proper naming word. So what you have to do? You have to write Delhi first letter D in capital letter. Okay children, that is called proper naming words. Yes children, here I have written a sentence. For example, let us see children. My favorite dress is a red frock. The frock is long. It has black stripes. Okay. So now what are the mistakes in this? We have to rewrite the sentence children. First letter should be, yes, it should be capital letter. So first one we will write capital letter M-Y, my favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, my favorite dress. Dress is a red. Here red capital letter is given. We have to write red in capital? No, because red, so many things can be red. Red frock, red dress, red pant, red blouse, red skirt. Anything can be red. So it is not a proper noun. It is describing word. So we can write describing words in small letter also children. It is not a proper naming word. So we will not write this capital letter. We will write here small. Okay, first beginning of the sentence we have to write capital letter. Yes, my favorite dress is a red frock. Here comma is given. This is also we should not write. What we have to write when we have completed the first sentence? For example, we have completed a sentence. My favorite dress is a red frock. Red is a describing word. It is describing about the frock. So we have to write it in small letters only. It is not proper naming word. After that we have to put a full stop. Then after full stop again what will start? Sentence. Again we are continuing the sentence, no? So we have to start with the capital letter. Here small letter is given. So we have to write it correctly. The frog is long. Okay, long also describing word. So we will write it as small letter only. Okay, after that nothing is given here, but the frog is long. We have to stop. Put here full stop. Okay children, afterwards, because why we are putting a full stop before it, because here it is capital letter. So whenever capital letter will come, before that full stop will come. Okay children, then it has. Why H here capital? No need of writing H in capital. Okay, so H-A-S, has. It has black. It is a proper noun, proper naming word. Sorry, proper naming word. No, it is not a proper naming word. It is describing word. Okay, so describing words we have to write with small letters only. Okay, black stripes. S-T-R-I-P-E-S, stripes. So like this, if in exam also if we have given you sentence like this, you have to follow all the rules of the sentence. First letter should be capital. Yes children, then you have to put a full stop after the sentence is completed. Then again you are starting the next line of the sentence. Again you have to start with the capital letter. First letter should be capital letter. Okay, and then all the describing words should be, we have to write in small letters only. Should be written in small letters only. Okay children.
Now all of you all open your reader children, page number 43. Yes children, so these two question answers I think we have done in our class workbook. Now question number 3, underline the describing words. Okay, underline the describing words. Here some words are given. Describing words only we have to underline. Okay, let us see. Tree. Is it a describing word? No. Naming word. Big. Yes, it is describing word. Bush. No. Tall. Yes, it is describing word. Green. Yes, it is describing word. Mango. No, mango is a naming word. Small. Yes, small is a describing word. Pranav. No, Pranav is a proper naming word because P is given capital letter. Okay, okay children, now let us come to fourth point. Fourth question, describe a garden that you want to visit in 3 sentences. Yes, now you have to write 3 sentences children, describing about a garden which you want to visit. So okay, we can write like this. I want to visit a big garden. Big garden. Okay children, and then we can write. Yes children, first one we have done. I want to visit a big garden. Okay children, here again we can write I want to visit a garden that has green trees and bushes, but we don't have enough place children, so I will write it should have green trees and bushes. Okay children, full stop. And then it should have colorful flowers. Yes children, so I made it short children. Instead of writing I want to visit a garden again and again, I have cut shorted the sentence. Okay, and then we have to write a visiting a garden sentences, 3 sentences with describing words. Now in this sentence, which is the describing word? Big. Yes, here green. Okay, and third sentence colorful. I want to visit a big garden. It should have green trees and bushes. It should have colorful flowers. Okay children, now let us go to question number 5. Yes, children, now let us go to fifth bit, children. Question number 5. Read the paragraph, pick out 5 errors, and rewrite the sentences correctly in your notebook given, children. But you have to write this in rough book, children. Okay, rough book you can write. Let us see. First, let me read the paragraph. There is a big garden in my house. It has tall trees. I like to play around the trees. My friend Ninu and I play in my garden every day. I water the plants and take care of them. I love my garden. Now, children, here some mistakes are given that we have to write it correctly. Okay. So, always the sentence starts with capital letter. So, here capital T. Okay. There is a big garden. Garden is not a proper naming word. So, this G will not come. Small g. Okay, children. In my house, yeah, full stop is given correctly. It has tall trees. Full stop is given correct. After that, capital letter. I like to play around the trees. Yes. My friend Ninu. Ninu is proper naming word. So, we have to write capital letter. Okay, children. My friend Ninu and I play in my garden every day. Yes, here full stop is there, correct. I water the plants. Children, here P capital is given. No, P capital should not be there. Small p. Okay, like this you have to write small p. Okay, children. Small p. And take care of them. I love my garden. Yes, our sentence is completed. So, what we have to put at the last, children? We have to put a full stop. Okay, full stop is not given here. This you can do it in reader, and for practice you can write this in your rough book also. Okay, let us go to sixth one. Making words. This you all know. Every time we are doing this, use your letter cards to make as many words as you can with the letters A, E, F, I, N, O, R, S, T. Here letters are given. No, you have to make the words, children. Okay, here place is given. Make as many words as you can. Yes, children, all of you open your page number 44. Write the date. Yes, children, S4. Peer review. Use the checklist to review the sentences written in S3. Review checklist. Yes, we have to tick S. No, we have to put a cross mark, children. Yes, children. All sentences have naming words. Example, Pranav's tree is tall. All sentences will have naming words? Yes. So, we'll put a tick mark here. Then second one, proper naming words begin with capital letters. Example, the trees are Pranav's friends. Here proper naming word is Pranav, children. It is capital letter is, sorry children, beginning letter is capital? Yes. So we will put a tick mark here. Then all sentences end with a full stop. Example, Pranav's tree is tall. Yes, all the sentences will end with full stop, children. Put a tick mark. All sentences start with a capital letter. Is it correct, na children? Yes or no? Yes. Pranav's tree is tall. Yes, all the sentences will start with capital letter. Sentences have describing words that tell about naming words. Example, Pranav's tree is tall. Yes, children, describing words tell us more about naming words. Yes, children? Yes, so we have to put a tick mark like this. Now, let us go to the second bit, children. Children, second bit is rewrite the sentences to describe trees. In S3, we have written, no children, about mango tree and pineapple tree. Yeah, pine tree, about my mango tree and pine tree. Those sentences only we have to write it here. Okay? Yes, children, let us write 5 sentences about trees. Okay, children? Yes, from S3. I will just read out for you. The mango tree gives us sweet mangoes. The leaves of the pine tree are long. Trees have thick trunks. Trees have brown branches. A mango tree looks different from a pine tree. Okay, children, write neatly like this in your workbook. Thank you, children. Take care. Meet you in next class.